Verifying your identity on Public 2026 is essential for ensuring the security of your account. Follow these steps to complete the verification process quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Access the verification section. Log into your Public 2026 account and navigate to the Settings or Account section. Look for the option labeled Identity Verification or Verify Identity. Step 2. Provide personal information. Enter the required personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Ensure that the information matches the details on your official identification documents. Step 3. Upload identification documents. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Complete additional verification steps. Depending on the platform's requirements, you may need to answer security questions or provide additional information. Follow the prompts to complete these steps accurately. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information and documents, wait for the platform to review your submission. You will receive a confirmation email or notification once your identity has been successfully verified. By following these steps, you can quickly and effectively verify your identity on Public 2026. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.